Module overview. Dot. Every singer possesses multiple vocal registers, and the ability to navigate and blend these registers with control and consistency is a critical skill in vocal development. This module explores the physiological foundation, functional characteristics, and acoustic properties of the vocal registers, namely the chest voice, head voice, mixed voice, falsetto, whistle register, and vocal fry. You will explore how registers differ in resonance, muscle coordination, tone quality, and range, and how to overcome the break, or passaggio, the transition area between registers, through blending techniques. The module also demystifies mixed voice, the middle ground between chest and head voice, as well as how to train for seamless vocal transitions that maintain tone, power, and emotional expressiveness. This advanced module is pivotal for achieving range extension, stylistic versatility, vocal health, and expressive control in genres like pop classical, gospel, musical theater, and more. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will learn: define and differentiate between vocal registers, understand the anatomical basis of vocal register transitions, identify their own chest, head, and mixed voice through vocal exercises, train the coordination required for smooth register blending, strengthen weak registers and reduce vocal breaks, understand falsetto, whistle tone, and vocal fry usage, apply register control to expressive phrasing and stylistic delivery. Understanding pitch. The foundation of musical notes. Pitch refers to the perceived frequency of a sound, or how high or low a note sounds. In singing, pitch is determined by the rate of vibration of the vocal folds. Faster vibrations create higher pitches, while slower vibrations create lower pitches. Scientific basis of pitch. Frequency is measured in hertz. Hertz. Example: a 4 equals 440 hertz. The vocal folds adjust in length, tension, and mass to change pitch. Higher pitches require elongation and tension of the vocal folds. Lower pitches require shortening and thickening. Singers must develop conscious control of pitch, which includes producing it accurately, pitch production, sustaining it, pitch maintenance, matching external references, pitch matching. What are vocal registers? A vocal register is a series of tones produced in the same vibratory pattern of the vocal folds, and it reflects a particular quality of sound. Each register involves unique laryngeal, voice box, configurations, resonance shifts, and muscle dominance between. Thyroretinoid muscles, TA, dominate lower registers. Cricothyroid muscles, CT, dominate higher registers. The main vocal registers: chest voice, modal register, primary register used in speaking and lower singing range, produced with thicker vocal folds and TA muscle dominance, resonates in chest cavity, has a rich, full, and powerful tone, used for pop belts, gospel shouts, soul, opera lows. Exercises: on descending 5-note scales, speaking phrases on low pitches. Head voice, higher pitched register, felt in the head or nasal mask. Thinner, elongated vocal folds with CT muscle dominance. Lighter, more resonant than chest. Common in classical pop and mixed voice passages. Exercises: on ascending scales. Glide up from chest to head slowly to locate switch. Mixed voice, a blend of chest and head registers, combines power and clarity without strain, reduces register breaks or audible shifts. Achieved through gradual balancing of TA and CT muscles. Exercises: nay, nay, nay on octave jumps. Sustained scales between E4 to G5 for female voices, B3 to E4 for male. Falsetto, higher range, airy or flute-like tone. Vocal folds are partially closed with low compression. Common in male high notes, pop, R&B, and stylistic effects. Lacks vocal weight and intensity unless trained. Exercises: who on light scales. Descend from high falsetto into mixed voice slowly. Whistle register. Highest possible register, often above C6. Vocal folds only partially vibrate at edge. Used by female sopranos or stylistically by singers like Mariah Carey. Needs very controlled airflow and minimal vocal pressure. Vocal fry : lowest vocal register with creaky popping sound. Occurs at very low airflow and vocal fold tension. Not used for sustained singing but warm-ups, grounding, or stylistic accents. Useful for loosening the voice, relieving vocal fatigue, starting resonance safely. Understanding register transitions. Passaggio. Passaggio is the transition zone between registers where many beginners struggle. Common issues include voice cracking or flipping, abrupt tone changes, tension or constriction, air leaks or tone drop-off. Passaggio zones. In this course, we will be using voice type, lower passaggio, and upper passaggio in our Table 1. Soprano E, 4 to F4, BB 4 to C5, tenor D, 4 to E, 4A, 4-B, 4-2. Alto D, 4-E, 4G, 4-A, 4-3. Bass, B3-C4F, 4-G4. Singers must develop muscle coordination, vowel modification, and tonal consistency to pass through these zones without breaks. Techniques to blend. Vocal registers. Blending is a gradual training process that allows fluid movement between registers. Key techniques. Sirens or glides, lip trills, vowel slides, across the full range. Vowel shaping, modify ah to in high register to reduce strain. Creaky to clean voice exercises, starting with vocal fry into head. Twang technique, adds brightness and stability in middle mix voice. Anchoring posture and breath support while changing resonant spaces. Register-specific strengthening exercises. This is course we will be using register, exercise name, and description in our table. First, chest voice. Descending ya. Focuses on strength and depth without force. Second, head voice. Woo on light arpeggios. Encourages light closure and breath support. Third, mixed voice. GG on mid-range. Balances tone from chest to head. Quarto falsetto. Hoo-hoo with open breath. Avoids vocal strain, trains airflow control. 5. Whistle light eep above C6. Very soft, pressure-free pitch aiming. Daily register blending practice helps increase vocal agility, range, and tonal freedom. Application across genres. In this course, we will be using genre, register demands, and tips in our table. First, population, mixed and falsetto for styling, train mix and head clarity. Second, classical, chest for lower tones, head for soaring lines, develop clean register transitions. Third, gospel, chest and mix for power, breath control and vowel support essential. Fourth, musical theater, mix and belt, blending and dynamic support. Piatti, jazz, falsetto and fry for texture, style-conscious register shifts, register challenges and solutions. In this course, we will be using issue, cause, and solution in our table. 1. Cracking on high notes, lack of support or blend, develop mixed voice, vowel modification. Second, weak falsetto, airy folds, strengthen with controlled airflow. 3. No mixed voice, over-dominant chest or head. Blending exercises, witchy vowels, quarto strain at passaggio, incorrect vowel or posture, adjust vowel shape, reduce pressure. 5. Flat high notes, insufficient breath support, improve diaphragmatic strength. Summary checklist. I understand all core vocal registers and their functions. I can identify chest, head, and mixed voice in my range. I know how to locate my passaggio. I can blend registers with smooth transitions. I have practiced strengthening each register separately. I can use register choices stylistically and expressively.